Hey deepakes, yeah, I'm sitting on my windowsill, I'm not weird. I'm actually going out today, so I thought I would vlog it and stick it on my vlogging channel, because you know, I never go anywhere interesting, and I'm not really going anywhere interesting today. I'm probably literally gonna go like, just over there. See this trees? I'm probably gonna just go there, might go find some food somewhere, not like in the trees, like a shop, or I might. Some of them might have left like a burger or something like that. That'd be pretty chill. No, I'm gonna go to the shop. Hi! Beep beep! At you too, mate. I'm dying. It's too sunny and I don't like it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna leave the house for once. Because there's no point having a vlogging channel if I never leave the house. So I'm just gonna find somewhere that's using shots of some flowers or something. Enjoy the sunshine in this video. It's extremely sunny. You can see exactly where I live now. Please don't stalk me. Should I jump out the window? Should I leave the house that way? I think I'm gonna use the door. Actually, yeah, door. Bye. I honestly look so pop punk today. Look at my Vans. Look, the entire outfit is like so pop punk. It's amazing. Bye. Bye, Lou. See you. Bye. I just dropped my water on the floor. And you don't even care. Bye. I'm going out now. Okay. Bye. Bugs. Bye. Goodbye, I'm going out now. You don't care either. That's nice. Bye. Enjoy your lives. Bye. I'm locking you in. Bye. I'm literally like 2 seconds walk away from my house. It's very sunny out here and I'm scared I'm gonna get burnt. I'm listening to the new Emma Blackerby song. It is so good. I've been listening to it on repeat since it came out yesterday and I've learned all the words. It's just my jam right now. A cute little flower chain thing, but it's very hard to make flower chains when you have got really short nails. You haven't got anything to like cut with. Look how cute it is. It's adorable. Hello? 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 Wanna be petted? Hi. What's your name? Don't we go back to your owner? I can't, I haven't got anything for you. What are you doing? Hi. Go, go. Bye. This flower is, it's so cute. I'm gonna put it in my hair. Adorable. Should I walk around like this? I might go to the shop like, hi, I am the princess of the forest. I found some shade! Hell yes! I won't burn! I feel like I might get murdered in here. I mean, like, just saying. I kind of want to make a den. I feel like this would be the cool place to have a den, but I have no friends and I don't know how to build. I'm gonna stand on here. I'm gonna do it. Look. Standing on here now. That was an anticlimax. Might stand on this one next. Slightly taller one. It's just slightly higher. It's still not really that high. Aesthetic. That was less pop punk than I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna eat my bears. It's gonna be amazing. I have reached an obstacle. I'm really scared of spiders right now. Jesus Christ. Wow, more obstacles. In my vans, no thank you. I am turning back. This is gross. I hate nature. This is obviously where the government affairs holds their super important private meetings where they discuss magic and stuff. I mean, like, obviously, what else is this? It's actually really uncomfortable to sit on. Like, please help. Like what? Very uncomfortable. I don't know the name of any of these flowers, but they're pretty. This thing. Don't know what it is, but I'm standing on it. It's pretty cool. I might go and buy some food from a shop because it's like 12 now. And that means it's lunchtime and that means I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go to shop and buy foods. Look, it's me. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to cross the road. Help me, I'm gonna get run over. How do I know if they've stopped or not? You stopped? Okay. I'm gonna just go, I think. Away. I didn't die. I successfully crossed the road. You proud of me? Probably not. Most people manage to do that. There wasn't anything I wanted in the shop, so I just bought a sexist chocolate bar because I felt awkward leaving the shop without buying anything. So I decided I'm going to go get some fast food. I might get some chicken nuggets now. So that's where I'm going. On a little adventure to go get some chicken nuggets. I asked the man what size of nuggets they did, and he said that all of the nuggets are the same size. I meant what sizes are the boxes and how many nuggets are in the box? Jesus Christ. I got my nuggets. Very excited about putting these in my face. I'm in field and I'm gonna have a picnic with my nuggets. Let's have an extreme close-up on this blade of grass just for the aesthetics of it. Focus. Thank you. Nice. I keep seeing butterflies and I want to film them, but they're too fast and they fly away before I get to film them. And it's really annoying because they're really pretty. Oh my god, a pigeon. I'm gonna make friends. Hi pigeon. Do you want to be my friend? Okay. Hate me then. Bye pigeon. Don't want to be a friend anyway. filming all of like these really pretty leaves and flowers and stuff, I'm listening to Black Veil Brides and there's just like satanic screaming in my ear right now, but I'm also like, look, a flower. Just walking around in circles now looking for cute plants and stuff. This one's cute. Should I just put a load of flowers in my hair? Just for aesthetics. Beautiful. I should always wear this. Hi. This is my new look now. Adorable. All the petals fall down. It's gonna be adorable. Petals! Okay, not many petals. That kind of failed. Got mud on my leg. Frustrated noises. I'm gonna scratch my camera, I'm gonna touch my camera, but I'm doing this for the aesthetic. Oh my god. No, that's not good. Jesus Christ, there's so many branches. I hate nature. I'm going to end this video here now and go do something relatively productive in my life. I might go into town and buy some blank CDs because I need to buy some of them because I've been stealing my brother's and I need to make a load of mixtapes because it's like a load of birthdays coming up with my family now and I haven't got many holiday presents. So I think I'm just going to make some mixtapes because they're cool. So please give this video a thumbs up and comment down whatever you want to comment. Comment about flowers because they're very aesthetically pleasing, and please subscribe if you want more aesthetically pleasing flowers like this one. If you subscribe, I will give you a flower in the post. It will be there in like 2 days. Hit subscribe, you'll get flowers, I promise. You won't, I lied. Bye guys, love you.